morning, everybody. In this morning, we would like to share a part of my study about design and implementation of electronic fuel injection retrofit system for a four-stroke motorcycle engine. We are from Wando, Martias, Hasan Mansur, Wahyu Danang Febriansyah, and Ilham Febriansyah. We are from Automotive Department, Engineering Faculty of Universitas Negeri Padang. The background of my study is the number of motorcycles in Indonesia is increasing very years, resulting in increased exhaust emission. Many motorcycles still use carburetor, resulting in high CO and HC emission. And then carburetor significantly contribute to air pollution because in carburetor it is many consumption of fuel and produce a higher of pollution. And research objective of this study is reduce harmful substances in exhaust emission by converting conventional system on four-stroke motorcycle to the EV system, and then determine the effect of applying an EV system to four-stroke motorcycle and torque power, and then determine exhaust emission and fuel consumption after applying an EV system to four-stroke motorcycle. And this is the motorcycle that we use in the study. We use four-stroke and single overhead camshaft and two valve. Air cooling system, number of cylinders is one cylinder. Cylinder displacement is 113.7 centimeter cubic. Fuel system using carburetor. But in the study, we will to improve this carburetor to be EV electronic fuel injection system. And then this is testing process or measuring process where we use exhaust gas emission for carbureting test, and then fuel consumption for carbureting test. This is for distance of fuel in a combustion process, and then also we compare with EV exhaust emission testing and EV fuel consumption testing by using full-to-full method measurement. And we can see that torques of the carburetor is higher than EV system, and also power for carburetor is higher than EV system. But we can see that carbon monoxide for EV system is lower than the carburetor. And how about hydrocarbon? This is a hydrocarbon. This will be lower than a carburetor system. Same with fuel consumption. Will be longer than carburetor system for kilometer per liter of the consumption. And this is the dynamometer type of power and EV system. And this is the conclusion. We can see that four-stroke motorcycle injection design, according to percentage analysis, indicated an increase in the HC and CO, also carbon dioxide content in exhaust emission and fuel consumption. Traces of this future increase milling and a small decrease in torque and output power. As we can see that in carburetor, will produce the better torque and power, but it will be effect on emission and increase the emission. It is why carburetor technology still apply in Indonesia. It is especially in small town or village that used to move component or commodity from uh, one place to another place because of the power and torque is higher than FE system. So many people in Indonesia dislike use a carburetor system compared with FE system, and they if can buy a new technology, it is very difficult to us to them use a FE system. The first is power and torque. The FE system is lower than carburetor system, and then for the maintenance, it is will be easier compared with FE system. So Indonesian people like use this system because of the easy maintenance, and then they not use electrical system. But in FE system using electrical system, if they use electrical system, so they cannot manually repair or make a maintenance because of Indonesian people, they not like to maintenance in a dealer or in principle of the motorcycle. So they like if there is some problem in the motorcycle, uh, they will repair manually by them, and it is all of course lower cost compared with the IV system. And the IV system and the Indonesian people also like a four-stroke motorcycle that can easy to use kind of the fuel, because in Indonesia there is many kind of fuel, and the if the carburetor system if you apply the bioethanol, it is cannot apply because sometimes if the you can see that the mass of the gasoline and ethanol, it is different. So it is will be spared depend on how many ethanol and gasoline blend. So uh, if higher ethanol, it is will be quick to spare it before spare it between gasoline and ethanol. And we hope you all give us a suggestion and question to improve our research future. Thank you very much, and good day for everyone.